A well-equipped bag of gear is a necessity when you're camping or hiking, and one of the essentials of your pack is a fire starter. There are many products available to choose fire starters, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fire starters from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set. Wolf and Grizzly created a compact and light ferrocerium rod and striker to save weight and achieve a simple, user-friendly design. Despite the fact that you generally only need 2 strikes to ignite a fire, this tiny fire starter has 20,000 strikes. The tiny surface area of compact fire starters, which makes it difficult to strike on, is one of its main drawbacks. With a 4.9 inches length and a narrow 0.8 inches width, Wolf and Grizzly has found the delicate balance between being too little and too huge. Since the striker is composed of knife-grade steel, it may be sharpened in the same way. When your sparks stop flying, sharpen the striker and watch them start flying again. The striker is attached to a paracord that can be disassembled in an emergency so that the inner jute can be used as tinder. This fire starter is the greatest one available because of how easy it is to use. Although it doesn't claim an absurd amount of features, it fares well in tests. Number 2. US Blast Match Fire Starter. In terms of usability, the US Blast Match is unparalleled. You can keep one hand free to balance your tinder and move it closer to the sparks thanks to the one-handed design. A fire striker that essentially performs the work for you is the US Blast Match. Anyone who doesn't have a lot of experience utilizing fire strickers will find this to be a very useful tool. To ensure that the ferro rod is subjected to equal wear and tear, it even rotates the flint 360 degrees. To prevent unintentional sparks, it neatly packs up. A small, watertight container that keeps the interior dry during the harshest storms houses the ferro rod while not in use. Even though everything would function if it were wet, they took precautions to keep everything dry. The blast match places more of the burden of effort on the tool than the operator as compared to other flint and steel techniques. The striker will endure for around 4,000 strikes. Although it doesn't have the longest lifespan on our list, if you use it properly, it will keep you in the fire for many years. Number 3. ORAN Companion Spark Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife and Fire Starter. Years ago, when we realized the enormous value of the high-quality steel and affordable pricing, ORAN knives won our hearts. The Companion Spark was then revealed to us. The name has always been accurate for us because one of our testers takes this knife with him on every trip into the mountains and almost always lights a fire with the Magnesium fire starter. The design of this knife is such that it can ignite a fire even without the fire starter that twist locks into the handle. The Companion is perfect for use with any ferro rod because to the square grind on the blade's spine. Don't overlook the fire starter that is included with this. The magnesium alloy can withstand roughly 3,000 impacts before producing high-temperature sparks. The blade made of Sandvik 12C27 steel maintains its edge well and needs no field maintenance. Don't worry about repeatedly oiling and sharpening a knife while making a fire is your top priority. Number 4. Survive Outdoors Longer Fire Light Fuel-Free Rechargeable Lighter. Electric lighters are gaining popularity as the globe gradually shifts away from gas. When inclement weather or being in a high altitude occurs, the Sol Firelight electric lighter is a quick and simple answer. Standard lighters have trouble lighting in such cold temperatures, but the Sol Firelight easily works by pressing a button. The lighter is always kept in good condition by its waterproof casing. Its small dimension of 4.5 x 0.5 inches makes it portable and fits in any pocket. When timed out at 7 seconds per use, the battery within will endure for around 45 uses. If you do the arithmetic, that comes out to little over 5 minutes over an electric arc that is continuous. In actuality, lighting the arc to tinder and starting a fire shouldn't take much more than a blink of an eye. When an emergency arises, the Sol Firelight is a full fire starter package. The jute within the paracord lanyard can be used as emergency tinder after being disassembled. A built-in 100-lumen flashlight with a 3-hour battery life is available for when things get rough. Number 5. Weather Magnesium Fire Starter Kit. The 2-in-1 Firestarter from C, which fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, is one of the best compact options. When compared to other fire starters, the size of this one is not even its greatest benefit. Additionally, it is totally waterproof, allowing you to start a fire in even the worst weather. Most importantly, no matter how you hold it, the 3 inches long magnesium starter with flint makes igniting a fire simple. Additionally, it has a single-sided striker connected, so you won't have to worry finding for another one. Although the chain that connects the striker and magnesium bar may be separated, it is advisable to maintain it in its original configuration close at hand.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF, if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.